Can I annotate my work? Yes, click on Annotations on the left-hand menu. A toolpad will appear on your screen. You can add text to your document by clicking on the T on the top of the toolpad, and then click on your document where you want to add the text. Let's add a text box and type in top of page. You can move the text box by using the four-pointed arrow as we are now. You can also increase the text size by clicking on the A+, or decrease the text size by clicking on the A-. You can have the text read to you by clicking on the speaker. Let's listen.
Top of page.
When you click on the check mark, the edit box around the text is removed. To delete the text box, click on the trash can. You can draw a line on your document by clicking on the line tool in the toolpad. Click the starting point for the line on your document, and drag to the ending point of your line. You can reposition the line by clicking on the square on either end of the line, and dragging it to a new location. You can delete the line by clicking on the trash can. You can draw an ellipse on your document by clicking on the ellipse tool in the toolpad. Click on your document at the starting point for the ellipse, and drag your mouse to form the desired ellipse size. You can resize your ellipse by clicking in either square, and pushing your mouse pointer in, or out to make adjustments. You can delete the ellipse by clicking on the trash can. You can draw a rectangle on your document by clicking on the rectangle tool in the toolpad. Click on your document at the starting point for the rectangle, and drag your mouse to form the desired rectangle size. You can resize your rectangle by clicking on either corner square, and pushing your mouse pointer in, or out to make adjustments. You can delete the rectangle by clicking on the trash can. You can mark up part of your document by clicking on the marker tool in the toolpad. Click on your document at the starting point for the marker, and drag your mouse to form the desired mark. You can resize the mark by clicking on either small square and pushing your mouse pointer in, or out to make adjustments. You can delete the mark by clicking on the trash can. You can freehand draw on your document by clicking on the freehand tool in the toolpad. Click on your document at the starting point for the drawing, and drag your mouse to form the desired image. You can delete the drawing by clicking on the trash can. You can change the color for your desired tool by clicking on the Select Color tool, and then clicking on your desired color. Color choices include black, red, white, blue, green, and yellow. Let's select blue. The last tool in the toolpad is called Read Text. Click on the Read Text tool, and then highlight some text. Click on the Listen button that pops up on the screen. This process allows you to listen to selected portions of your document while the Annotations toolpad is still on the screen.
In the browser, you will generally
If you hover on the right-hand side of the Annotations tool, you will see two arrow points that point to the right. When you click on the arrow points, you will have two choices, to show annotations, or to hide annotations. If you click on Show Annotations, then any annotation on the document will be visible. If you click on Hide Annotations, then any annotation on the document will be hidden. Your text date annotations are automatically saved on the computer you are using, as long as you don't clear your cookies and cache. To clear your annotations, you must first click on Annotations, and then click on each trash can individually, as we are doing for some of our annotations. Now that you know how to use your annotations, you're ready to begin editing your documents.